Hello, welcome back to it. Right now we're seeing a marginal risk as fuel tomorrow. Across portions of the lower and middle Texas coast. So main probabilities for wind and hail. So, yeah. Basically, it looks like due to cloud cover, it seems like it's gonna be pretty it's going to be more of a localized event to say the least. So, anyways, we also have something else to cover. Unsurprisingly, we have more active winter weather right now, and looking at winter storm severity index for the next 4 days, going over to, and looking at right now we have major impacts that are expected across portions, going from St. Louis, Southern Illinois, going into as well. This includes Detroit as well. We have extreme impacts possible across portions of Indiana, going to Ohio. Although personally, we also we have moderate impacts across portions of Texas, moving up into Oklahoma, northern Arkansas, much of Missouri, and extreme southeastern Kansas. And also major impacts across portions of North Dakota, with that another winter storm actually that's across portions of Dakota going to Minnesota. But take a look at current trends though. We would definitely be seeing more of a northwestern shift. And looking at day 3, that's why we have a moderate risk of snowfall over 4 inches. Actually, a lot more north than really what the winter storm severity index is showing right now. And it isn't really the only. Snow is definitely not the only risk. Going to ice accumulations. I can get it pulled up real quick. But not really much it shows apparently. Although we don't really have access to day 4, so we'll wait for that product to come out probably sometime tomorrow, and we'll update you for that. But right now, it seems like storm worst right now is moved a tiny bit more off to the north and west as recent, and we'll see how much the trend really stays, and we're gonna keep an update on everyone about that. So anyways, looking at JTWC's outlook now, right now 98p has a low chance of developing. We still have Batsuri. I might as well pronounce that wrong probably again. You'll be probably mispronounced that time until I actually learn it. But currently, winds are around 95 knots. Expected to strengthen to 100 knots by 0Z, which is in an hour from now. 95 knots expected to weaken, maintain at 95 knots before strengthening, eventually to around 105 knots on the second at 12Z, strengthen even more to 110 knots by 12Z on the third, and then on the fourth at 12Z, it's expected to weaken down to 90 knots. Even though it appears like right now with the recent cone, it seems like the weaken before landfall in Madagascar. This is something that needs to be taken serious. If you're at least in Madagascar, I would keep an eye on local forecast, and although it seems pretty fairly far out right now, within a 5-day range, continue to watch forecasts and continue to listen to or start listening, listen to the officials, and do whatever they say. So anyways, apart from that, that's really it, and goodbye.